Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again in this video. So today it was rain before some minute ago in this area, and I told you even still now it's so windy. You are feeling that, and I think the microphone is getting the noise. Is so windy at this time, right? And I was feeling the raining is so good because and also today was very hot day, it's very warm day, and it was unacceptable. What I will say, it was unacceptable and so warm. So in the meantime it was raining, and all the people, and especially I felt very good, I felt very nice at the time of raining. So raining is the most important rahmat from the Allah, and because and it's so much peaceful water, it's peaceful water, and it comes from the sky, and it gives Allah totally, it gives Allah, and it's a special thing for the human being, for the world people. Okay, so after the raining I thought I can visit the outside, I can visit my area, and I can visit my area. If I visit my area after the raining, the environment is so cool, it's so nice, and I will feel that environment. That's why right now I'm visiting my area. At the same time I'm enjoying the nature right now, and I think you are guys also enjoying the nature from the video. And I want to show you this lake from here. The lake was so beautiful, and it's a big lake, and when I get free time, sometimes I come beside the lake and I spend my free time here. So guys, I told you every day you have to practice English. Do you practice English every day? And beside, you have to listening at least 3 hours per day. If you don't listen 3 hours per day, how can do you learn English? How it's possible for you learn English? So it's impossible without listening 3 hours every day. You should listening English at least 3 hours. Yes, okay. And besides that, you have to practice the phrasal verb with practical sentence, and you have to do so many action with practically, right? So like that, right now I'm making the video, right now I'm shooting, at this time I'm talking in front of the camera like this. You have to practice in your reading room, you have to practice your area. Okay, my dear viewers, I think you guys understand how to practice properly in your house, how to practice, how to talk in front of the camera. All the information I think you have known from this video, and how to do it practically. Actually, what I will say that, and I want to say that if you are want to success, if you are want to speak English fluently, so you guys, you have to be crazy, you have to be like a crazy. Okay, and being crazy, you have to practice. Being crazy, you have to make the video. Being crazy, you have to come in front of the camera, you have to talk and talk and talk. And if you do that, guys, you can success, definitely you can success, and your dream will be true, your dream will be true. I pray for you, but you have to continue, you have to hard work for every day. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you another video, another topic, and another special small blog. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.